Hello everyone, this is Gerald again. We're back here again. We see that we got another dumpster here now, but we out here. They are now getting ready to pour the slab, just to give you an update of what's going on. They're having the rebar tied in. We'll do a walk on the inside. So once we get this part done, then we'll move on to the actual getting the plumber. And had an issue with my plumber this morning. So I'm gonna find out that he was having problems with his liability insurance. So I told him that if we can get in through this door. Oh, this door is locked. I'm gonna trample on there. Well, go ahead and walk around there. I'm not gonna get in their way, so. Also, they're here doing some demo. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look on the inside and see what's going on. Hello everyone, this is Gerald with OVD again. We're back out here at the property. Got an inspection. We're here a little earlier today. Got an inspection this morning. Then weren't able to make it by to make sure the guys did what they were supposed to. So ended up having to come by and double check to make sure they did what they were supposed to do. So we're just here checking to make sure they did everything. All the footers are in there. They have all the plastic down. So we're gonna see they have everything. I told them there was some slight variations in those in the actual rods you see up against the house there. So I'm not gonna go over there and walk on it. Don't want to disturb it. But yeah, so there was some slight variations in there. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Alrighty, I'll get back with you once the inspection over. Alright, you all take care now. Y'all have a blessed day. It's Gerald with OVD. I know you can hear the background noise. I apologize for that. This house is not far from the interstate. It's actually a block and a half away. So, alright, talk to you later. Alright, everyone. Gerald back here again. As y'all can see, the concrete truck has arrived. They have pretty much torn off most of the roof. I gotta go into the box here to put some screws in here. And as y'all can see, this is the box. All my stuff has fell down. I had a stick pin up here. I always keep a set of plans just for the inspector. Ooh, I almost dropped my phone. But we're moving right along. Got the top of the house tarp. You see most of the burn damage. I must say my demo guys have done a great job. You see how organized they are on filling up these dumpsters. A lot of guys would just throw this stuff in here. They're organized and about the way they put it in there so that we can maximize how much we can get in them. So, as you can see, most of the house is tore off. And moving right along. This is all the trash here. Let's go around here. I mean, the guys moved everything so that we can get all the supplies in here. We got the lumber package coming. As you can see, they put all the truss over here. Makes it easier for them to get to. The guys are moving right along. Ran into another issue. My engineer, which I had on this project, has not been available because he's been ill. So now I'm having to try and shop for another engineer so that we can get everything done. As y'all can see inside. So now I'm in the process of calling engineers because we have questions about the actual tie down. You're not gonna be able to hear much here, but we're just gonna show what's going on. So they can get back to work. All right, this girl with OVD. We'll have more pictures to come later on. So hopefully when we have more pictures, I can show you more of the stuff that's going on. Hopefully we'll have the actual roof and stuff on. So, all right.